Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode. If you haven't already checked out our Ningaloo series, please do so. We have 6 awesome episodes for you guys. We spent quite a few months camping on the beaches and had an absolute blast. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. We would love if you could like and subscribe and share this around to your friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to our extraordinary journey through the stunning landscapes of Australia. We are a travelling family living life on the road and immersing ourselves in the wonders of this incredible country since December 22. I'm Rachel.
I'm Ryan.
I'm Molly. I'm Tom.
And this is Maggie.
Our home is the epitome of adventure and luxury on wheels. It is the ultimate form of freedom, designed to conquer the untamed wilderness and embark on exhilarating adventures. So please come and join us as we dive into vibrant culture, unique encounters with wildlife, and unforgettable experiences that will leave you craving for your own Australian adventure.
So Ryan was just having a nice conversation with the kids this morning, and he was telling them that he used to be the world champ sculler, and he could drink a pint in
2 schooners.
2 schooners in how many seconds?
3.5 seconds.
In 3.5 seconds.
I can
So
do it in 1 second.
I was a pelican.
they used to call him the pelican, apparently.
Who wants to see it?
So he just
Ready?
said he's a bit nervous. Here
Ready?
you go. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow.
There's a pelican still having it.
4 seconds.
Oh, come on. This is at breakfast. Well, honestly, I was a world champ. I got a trophy at the test of the toughest. The world champ, all right?
Nah.
I was.
He was and I was. I was like,
So we're just down in this bay, about to put the boat in. We've been hanging out all week for this. The weather's been terrible. The wind's been up all week. So we haven't had a chance to have a look around. We had a terrible start this morning. We had engine troubles. I'm not a mechanic. I've known nothing about it, but I had to patch it up. We got it going. It's all good. But now we get to hit the water. Hopefully the water's clear. There's plenty of fish around. Wish us luck.
So we've had to abort that mission. The island that we wanted to go to was 15 kilometers offshore, and we just about got there, but honestly the wind was wild. There was huge gusts and, you know, a family of 4, 2 small kids in a tiny little tinny. The open ocean just didn't feel right. It didn't feel safe, and we were a bit concerned of, I guess, how we were going to get home after a few hours if the wind continued. So we decided to turn around. We hugged the coastline, and now we pulled up. We're going to have a little fish here. We're going to change some of our fishing rods over, put a few squid jigs on, and then head back out on the tinny again. But I think we're going to stick to the coastline. We're not going to go into the open ocean just in case.
Thankfully, the weather improved, so we decided to venture out to explore the area. The Dampier Archipelago is made up of 42 islands, some of which are easily accessible with a small little tinny. However, others are much further away, so you'll definitely need a larger boat to access those.
Just pulled up to this little island. There's a nice little protected cove here. There's some rocky outcrops either side, and there's half a dozen crayfish shells on the beach. So we're hoping there's plenty around. We'll jump in, have a look. The viz isn't great, but it's still good to get in the water. Wish me luck.
Ryan has been out for no more than 5 minutes. The kids and I were walking up and down the beach collecting shells when I heard him call my name. So I turned around and there he was waving this crayfish up in the air. It looked like a red, but he is far away, so it wasn't that easy to see. But look, he's in his absolute element. He's still duck diving now. We'll keep you posted. How was that?
Good.
Did you see a cry? Did you get a cry?
2. That was awesome. That's probably the most crays I've seen, apart from down south, obviously, with the Western Reds. I've seen ever in a dive. The reef was pretty good. They're only smallish ones, there's no real big ones. They're all legal size, beautiful eating. Plenty of small coral trout, no big ones. That's all right. Happy with that. We'll have dinner tonight. Following day, we headed out on the water with some mates. We met these guys last year at Windabandy. We hit it off straight away. They're absolute legends. While we were in the local area, they offered to take us out on their weapon of a boat. We got to see some magical places that would be out of our reach with our tinny. We went for a surf, everyone got in for a snorkel where we managed to grab a few crays. Then Ryan and myself got in for a quick spear. Ryan got a nice sized tusky, a good mackie. My tusky got absolutely bulldozed by a shark, which ended up taking my spear as well. But what a cracking day we had.
What happened to your spear, Ryan?
Sharks kind of did me. Out of nowhere. I was like, oh, it was just school. I was like, no. I thought that was fresh line as well.
Later that evening, we loaded up the truck and made our way to Hearson's Cove to cook some dinner. The scenery in the Pilbara is nothing short of breathtaking. Its vibrant colours and rugged landscapes makes the perfect backdrop.
What a day we've had. It's been awesome. Our friends Ryan and Tiff took us out on their boat, showed us around the area. The kids got a surf in, we got a snorkel, we got some crays. Ryan got this fish. Mine got stolen by a shark. Lost my spear and everything. So, just one of those days for me, but that's all good. We've come down to this spot here to have dinner. We're going to cook up the fish fresh. We've got Staircase to the Moon tonight. It's going to be awesome. I'm sure everyone's thinking the same thing as me. When's this fella going to sharpen his knives? It's a job on my to-do list. I'm a busy man, and I will get around to doing it. But for the moment, they're doing the job. Hungry Mags.
We left one of the main ingredients back home, so instead of using panko, we crushed up some wheat bix, and surprisingly, it did the trick.
Let's get this fish on.
It's bedtime anyways, and we're going in the rock pools to see if we can find any octopus.
We've just found a frogfish, banded frogfish, so we're going to try and catch him and have a closer look at him. Kids have never seen one, so it'll be good to get him.
Look at that. That looks easy.
Yeah, so what we'll do is get the bucket. We'll get some water. I'll shine the torch over here so I can see the water.
It does look like puffer fish, sort of.
Can you handle them without your gloves?
Probably not.
I'm not sure, to be honest. They've got a face only a mother would love.
Oh,
We'll just put him in there and we can have a better look at him.
wow. He's cute, isn't he?
Does he look like a frog?
No. It's
Kinda. Look at his head with his eyes, his big
Yeah.
eyes.
Yeah, he kind of does, apart from his fins and his gills.
Well, yeah, but he's a fish.
I think we just woke him up.
What about a blend of a frog and a fish?
Frogfish.
You let him go?
Let's go now.
Do you want to name him?
Let's call him Froggy.
Yeah, Tommy,
Froggy?
Tommy.
Froggy. Hello,
Froggy.
Froggy.
Hello, Froggy.
Let him go. He's not trying to attack or swim away or
You
anything.
ready? Tommy, over here. Put him back where he was. Back in his bed. Oh, he moved, I think.
Where did he go, Mike?
He went under this. Oh, there he is, there. So look, put one net. Just like, put one net there, and then get the other one, and look. He's just there. Can you see him? Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna need one in front. And what? No, you gotta go underneath him.
Frogfish. There you go, Frogfish.
What are you going to catch, Molly?
An octopus.
Come on, quick, before he goes near the rocks.
You and I will
Catch
stay
some
back
crabs.
here,
Look, he's got a
Tommy.
crab. He's got a crab.
Did he?
Oh,
On.
Come on, Molly. It's just there.
Oh, Molly.
That's it.
Experiment.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah, Molly, we got him.
Work.
I'm
Good
going to call
job.
him Sandy because he looks like the sand.
It's camouflaged like the sand, isn't he?
Yeah,
So that's why I'm calling him Sandy.
that was really good, darling.
That was really easy. That was really easy. I put it behind him, then I scare him into it. Oh, that must be his little home in there.
Oh, look at him. He's beautiful.
Because his tentacles are sticky.
There you go, Tommy.
But didn't get him. He ate a bit. No, he's good water. That's good. You ran over. It's okay. Come on. Be careful with him.
Okay.
You can like close your fingers with your gloves on, Tom. You know that?
He might struggle to because they're a bit thick maybe for his little fingers.
Daddy.
Wow.
Come on. Okay. Got it. There. I caught one. You didn't.
He's lovely. Do you want to get that properly done?
It's so
Look at
pretty.
octopus. How many octopus is that?
I don't know. 4.
Octopi.
Octopus. Not octopus. Can I hold it?
Wow.
It looks very sandy. Look.
He does look a bit different to the other one, doesn't he?
No,
he's the
he's
same.
brown.
That's it. That's it.
It could be your friend like an octopus. My octopus.
Yeah, he'll try and put your hands on the other side of mine. You'll go on and then go across.
Kind of hold him like a snake.
You know how you do the snake and you move your hand?
Yeah.
So you go like that. And then when he goes on this
It's
hand,
kind of like land.
you go to the you go to the other
He's
one.
always moving, all
So
right?
he'll always keep crawling. So you go there and then get ready to put this hand wherever he goes. Don't tip him onto it. Okay,
Can I let him go now?
if you want.
What do you want to name him, Tom?
Octi.
Octi.
Okay, there you go.
All right. See ya, Octi.
He doesn't want to leave the net.
Oh, look at him go. Wow.
You didn't even ink on your tummy.
No, he must have liked you.
His legs come in.
Hello.
Oh.
He's
Beautiful.
going in here. See? I don't think his head will fit.
Yeah, well, if his tentacles fit his head, will fit.
What the? Oh, there's
It's a perfect little house for him. What have you found, Daddy?
Here you go.
Here's. Wow, we
Gonna hold that, Tommy?
bucket. You hold him.
Oh,
Wow, look at him.
is that a moray?
Yep.
He's nice, isn't he?
Here.
What sort of colours are on him?
Brownish,
He's
oranges, green.
yellow.
Yeah. And he's like greeny fins. Oh my gosh, that freaked me out. It's like a snake.
How old do you reckon he is?
Oh my god.
No, he's just a baby. He's only probably a year old.
Like 4?
No, probably
year.
a year
Maybe 1?
or 2 maybe.
Dad, can we go?
Oh,
Let him go.
yeah.
Yeah.
He's cool.
Please. I would love if you could let him go. Because I'm scared.
Watch him.
Yeah. Like 40 minutes? Pretty much like 50. Or like 5.
He's a tiny little one.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come on, Tom, put your hand under if you want him.
Oh, what should you name him, Tom? Sandy?
He's a lot of Sandies.
We've already named one Sandy. Okay, what about Bridley? No, he's not a Smalley. Yes. What about Tiny? Tiny, yeah.
All right, let's get a photo with you and Tiny. Put him up to your face. All right, let him go.
Put him back in there.
Where you found him?
See you, Tiny. He doesn't look very tiny there, does he?
What is that? Can I see?
What sort of fish is it?
Parrot.
Oh, a parrot.
Can I see?
Oh, nice.
Can I hold it? A little bit.
Put that in.
They look very brown in the water.
Oh. Little parrotfish.
Is it a surf?
No, he's not a surf. I'm not sure what type he is. You'll have to look him up in your book, Tommy.
Oh, pleasure.
Come on.
Do you want to check him back in?
Here's one.
What?
Do you want to check him back in? Can Tom check him back in? Put him in the water?
Yeah, put him in.
Good boy. Oh. Good catch, Dad.
We drove 40 minutes north of Karratha to a local beach camp. We visited the area last year and caught some great fish, but sadly we had to cut our stay short because the sandflies were absolutely horrendous.
We're just trolling up and down this creek. We got a few big cod last year. I got a big jack as well. So we'll see what we can pick up. Tommy's got a little one already. Hopefully it's a good day.
What is it, Tommy?
I don't know. It's a gold spot cod.
Nice work. We're going to put him back? Yeah. One. We are having an absolute shocker of a day. We can't even catch bait fish. So we're here at the boat ramp again. Ryan has the cast net out and we're going to see if we can catch some bait fish here. Maybe get lucky. And then we're going to head back out again. But I don't know. It's a shocker.
One of those days.
One of those days. You win some, you lose some, hey?
We're having a shocker here. I've seen about 3 bait fish. I've got 2 in the net. I've got big holes ripped in the net so they just swim out. So we're off to a terrible start here.
The best thing I caught last year was a seagull. Get off my daddy, he's trying to help you.
We can help you?
Be careful, Mama. You'll probably pick it up.
Got it there, got it there. Picture of run.
Don't do it again.
You ready?
Go.
Yeah, with the net. So this is why you got to be careful with octopus, because that one will kill you if you bite you.
Blue ring octopus.
See how it's got the little blue rings? When it gets angry, they start glowing.
When is he glowing?
Blue-ringed octopus are one of the world's most venomous marine animals. You'll find them in tide pools and coral reefs across Australia. Ryan found this one in a rock pool and thought that it was extremely important to show the kids and to educate them on the hidden dangers in the rock pools.
Day 2 on the water.
Look, we're trying. We're certainly trying, but we're not getting much reward at all. We're getting eaten alive by sandflies. The kids have had enough. They're asking a million questions, but we're trying.
Is it big?
Bigger than what we've been getting.
Oh.
For a change? Look at that. Well, there's fish there. Okay. Finally caught one. We're going to throw him back. It's probably another cod.
What do we reckon, a cod?
Yeah.
Who reckons cod, everyone?
Yeah.
All we want is dinner.
It's a jack, I think.
Is it?
Oh no, it's not. It's a gold spot cod.
I knew it was a gold spot cod. Me too. I knew it was cod as well.
Yeah.
First one it was a bit high.
That's a bit better.
A little bit better, but still not dinner. Right, you can make one more. We'll let him go and we'll try again. Probably in the next one.
And she's got a gold lure. I think Mum's on really this time. Hopefully more than a gold lure this time. You're right. You just worry about the fish and the lure.
Bring it. Not gonna lose it this time.
I'm still not convinced.
Whoa, it's not. It's not one anyway.
Tell me, what is it? Tell me, what is it?
A wolf herring.
Hey, this one, a wolf herring, very good.
Oh, he's spicy little thing. Gosh.
Got a good set of choppers on him.
He does. Look at his teeth. Holy moly. I'm sure people would, but we're not going to. I think that's what I caught earlier on. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, that's what we wanted.
I got it.
Woo, Dad's on. Oh no.
Wolf herring.
Another wolf herring. Oh dear.
Oh man.
I think he jumped off, thank God.
Did he?
I think so. Yeah!
Yay! We don't want any more of those yucky fish. So we've decided to call it. We've packed up and we're on our way back home. The weather hasn't been very good to us these past 2 weeks, but we're trying to get out on the water as much as we can. Any breaks between the bad weather, strong winds, we have the boat in the water. And it's always still good to get out. We always have fun. But yeah, see what tomorrow brings.